Hey, welcome to day 3 of the furnace project. This is Joe. This is my brother-in-law, Tim. They're from Grazer Plumbing and Heating out of Toluca, Illinois, and they're going to install the new furnace today. And from time to time, we'll be checking in to see their progress on it. So you guys saw everything we did yesterday, and we're going to watch a guy that knows what he's doing. Right, Joe?
Yes.
Put it in. All right, so he's already got the furnace set up on blocks. Joe's been busy at it, and he's got the cold air trunk hooked back up. Now he's working on, he's got the, what'd you call this? Not an A coil anymore.
This is an end coil, cased end coil.
Okay.
Now I'm building a transition between the pieces here. I'm adapting to the old ductwork.
And then we can set it all back down because it's held up with a ratchet strap.
Yep.
And then Tim's working on, where are those blowers? Tim, show him those blowers. So these have a little fan inside, and it will assist blowing air upstairs, which is the farthest away and which is the warmest in the house. So we're hoping that that'll help. So they're working on getting that set, and I'm going to work on running new electrical for them. So we'll bring you back in a minute. So that furnace needs to have a ground, but coming from the power on the other side, there was no ground, just this conduit. But the conduit wasn't grounded. This line here comes in from the box. We identified which one it is, which is off. It is grounded up here. So we grounded the box, and then because the box has conduit that goes all the way back, that's the ground. So that's what I did. I grounded the box. I had to put a fitting on the end of that. And we got that off right now just in case he needs to replace the 220 to the compressor outside. We've been real busy here. Joe, you want to tell him what you got done so far?
So I've completely redone your cold air return, all nice and fancy. Getting set up for your exhaust pipes. I transitioned my tin there. That's about it. Siliconed all around everything, make sure it's not leaking air.
And Tim, what you been working on?
We installed 2 duct boosters for the second floor heat runs. We got those repiped, installed one here and here, and we have 2 leads to take care of later.
And what are we going to do? You said we have to put those into what now?
Those are temporarily going to be wired to the furnace.
Okay.
That's going to look really nice.
You can cuss. We'll beep it out.
Picture of them flues now.
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
The plumber's proud of his plumbing work.
Plumber.
Oh, dryer. Inside instead of outside.
Yeah.
Texas
Oh, really?
Coil.
TXV valve. Thermostatic expansion valve. I ask a lot of questions, so.
Now, you have to braise this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hot.
That was
hot.
That was the first thing I asked Chris. I said, "Does Tim know how to braise?" He said, "No, I guess you're gonna find out."
No.
No, I guess I'm not finding out. It ain't
So
done.
brazing is a lot different from soldering. Solder flows. He actually melts brazing right into it. It's almost like welding, right?
It is like a weld. Yep, exactly. Look at that.
Beautiful.
So professional.
So you no longer have to put, this doesn't go outside, huh? It's
Nope.
so it's smaller than the,
Smaller, more efficient.
Yeah.
Yep. Sometimes we do use, if we had to flush lines, we'd put one on the big line, but that's totally another story. But yeah, that's all that thing does is, in case anything gets in there, there's a fancy valve right behind this line here, and that'll catch any of the BS in there. So then, you know, it's easier to change this out than it is to get inside of there and change out the TXV. Okay, I'm ready for some heat.
Oh. Well, we're gonna go outside while you do that. 'Cause I hate it when guys watch solder.
I don't know. I get so many.
Why? We're going to just stay here and film.
That's fine.
Make the kid nervous, all
You
right.
don't make me nervous.
Jesus.
You don't make me nervous.
Well, give him a Coke before you do that.
Coke and a smile.
Yeah, exactly.
They're in the fridge, man. You can just help yourself.
You want a Coke, Bino?
I'm good. I don't really drink soda much.
Yeah, I don't either.
It's not good for
Sweat
you.
it out too much.
I'll drink my cup of coffee in the morning. That's about it.
That's about it, yeah.
Okay, go get my torch set then.
That's good.
You're going to get your efficiency because your outside condenser runs more efficiently, and then your blower inside does more. It has capacitor, so it ramps up slower. So in the wintertime, instead of your heat escaping through that metal pipe into your chimney, that's why it's all the 80%er. Now you're getting 96% efficiency because the plastic exhaust pipe does not absorb the heat, so more heat goes into your home.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
I feel like I should be on a commercial.
Yeah.
He's still filming.
So, Joe, what do you do now?
This is called brazing. Silver solder, lots of heat.
You don't have to use any flux or anything like that?
Nope. It's more like a weld than it is a solder. And that's brazing.
And you already brazed the bottom ones.
Yep.
Hey, that guys, get everything brazed. Nice. That didn't seem like it took too long.
No, it doesn't. I mean, the pipe fitting and all that bending takes a lot longer to...
Than actually brazing it,
Yeah.
huh? And then these right here, this is where the water's going to come out.
Yep,
And
that's
then
the
we'll
drain.
put the pump over here somewhere.
Yep, same thing with right here is where now, because now your furnace is going to create condensate also. So I'm going to have a pipe coming out of here into your pump.
Okay, so we'll have two pipes running into
Yep.
this right here.
You're going to have water in the winter and in the summer.
Right,
So,
right, okay. Okay, while the guys were busy, I put these on. I'll show you what these are. These sense the change in temperature and the ductwork and turn on those booster fans that we installed. So let me show you around over here. Joe's over here. And Joe, you charge the system, right? It's already charged? We just got to run it yet.
Yep. Once I get
All right,
this
so
drain-
Joe's over here finishing up the drain, right, Joe?
Yep, once I finish the condensate drain, give the water somewhere to go, then I can start running air conditioning.
All right, beautiful. Here's that other one over here. So the manual said they had to be 1 to 10 feet away from the fan. So yeah, that's about 4 feet, and then the other one's about 2 feet. So Joe's going to get this wrapped up, and we're going to fire up.
Yes, sir.
So how long have you been doing this for, Joe?
I've worked for Grazer since about 2018. I started off as like a summer helper, and then just started picking up, little pieces of it here and there. Electrical, gas. I mean, it all just comes with practice.
So do you do all the HVAC, or do you do plumbing as well?
I do not do plumbing, so I do anything, any kind of duct work, air conditioning. Obviously, lots of sheet metal, furnace installs, all kinds of stuff. Attic jobs, we do all kinds of stuff.
How much pitch downhill do you have to have on
It
that?
does, as long as it's pitched a little bit. I think it's like,
And that's for the end coil, right?
yep.
Not the furnace part
No,
itself.
yeah, this is catching all your water from in your summer season.
Okay.
And these teas, if you want, anytime you think it's getting all clumped up with anything, dump a bleach mix solution down there. It's CPVC, so it will sustain bleach.
But you don't have no long runs, so it shouldn't be an issue.
No,
It goes right into his pump.
It's a 3/4 inch piece of pipe, run just warm water through. So Yeah, I'll probably pull a new one of these. It's all zip tied anyway.
I can unclip all that for you.
Yeah, if you want, you can.
Yeah, I can unclip it and we can run a new one. It is done. They are finished with it. Beautiful job. I'm super happy. And we put those boosters on. It was not blowing very good upstairs. And then we went and turned them boosters on. It doubled the airflow. So we want to say thanks again to Joe and Tim from Grazer Plumbing out of McNabb, Illinois. So, hey, if you guys enjoyed watching the video, if you like what we're doing here, give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot.